This is the wrong time for a market correction. We have a crisis brewing. Hey, it's Ken, and in this channel we talk about everything to do with Toronto real estate. Do me a favor and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so, so that way you get the latest information as we release it. Sales of new condos dropped by 68% in the second half of 2022 as compared to the same period in 21. It's the slowest second half of the year since 2008 when the financial crisis happened. And this slowdown has continued on into January this year, where we only saw 2 project launches, meaning that there will be likely a shortage of units in the next 3 to 4 years. New condo prices have been rising much faster than resale condos over the past 6 years, such that now there's a 69% price premium for new versus resale price per square foot. Because of the rising cost of land, materials, labor, development levies, there isn't much developers can do in terms of lowering the prices of new condos that come to the market. They are, however, offering more incentives and longer deposit structures to entice buyers to buy. Ultimately, we need interest rates to come down to boost consumer confidence to get more supply to the market. But this may or may not be enough to spur more sales to meet the demands of our explosive population growth. Developers want to see more price stability and higher absorption rates in the real estate market before they feel confident enough to begin launching new projects in the quantities that we've used to be seeing. In other words, there's not going to be enough new supply coming to the market anytime soon. It's the wrong time for market correction in the real estate market. Because look, Toronto grew by almost 147,000 people in 2022 and likely will continue to grow by more. The GTA is expected to grow by 1.27 million people from 2021 to 2031. These numbers were forecasted by the Ontario Ministry of Finance before the Canadian federal government raised the immigration targets, so is likely a conservative number since the Ontario generally gets about 35% of these new immigrants. But yeah, don't worry, like rental supply is in the pipeline. There's about 113,000 units planning to be built right now, but only a third of them are approved. So while there's a lot of momentum towards ramping up more supply through the government policies, the problem is that the average time between submission to completion of a project is still over 8 years long. Home ownership rates have been rapidly declining due to the high cost of ownership, so the rental market outlook is going to be extremely strong for the foreseeable future. We won't have enough supply to meet the levels of demand. The Building Industry and Land Development Association, or BUILD, recently released a report saying that we're going to be short 177,000 units in the next decade. So while the headlines are created to scare you, I think in the long run, we're at the start of a major housing crisis over the next decade in the Greater Toronto Area. If you want to chat more about some more details about my outlook on the Toronto real estate market, please click the link below and schedule an appointment to chat with me. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Give it a thumbs up if you want to learn more about the real estate tips and market updates. Thanks for watching.